Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing your data. Back up with Time Machine or clone to an external drive and verify the copy. Once done, sign out of Apple ID, iCloud, and iMessage, and deauthorize iTunes or other services so activation won't block you. Make sure your Mac is plugged in and on a reliable internet connection. Check for any firmware password and remove it now. These steps stop lockouts and ensure you can reinstall cleanly, so don't skip verification before proceeding. You restart into recovery by holding Command-R if you need the latest compatible Mac OS use option Command-R. Once in recovery, open Disk Utility and select your startup disk. Erase the drive as apps for SSDs or Mac OS Extended for older HDDs, set GUID partition map, and name the volume. After erasing, quit Disk Utility and choose Reinstall Mac OS Big Sur. Follow the prompts, select the freshly erased volume, and let the installer download and run. You either complete initial setup or power off if preparing the Mac for another user. Make sure you sign into Apple ID only when you intend to restore personal data. If restoring, use Migration Assistant to pull selected files and apps from your backup rather than a full image to avoid bringing issues back. If the installer fails or stalls, reboot into Internet Recovery, try installing in safe mode, or reset NVRAM and SMC. These steps resolve firmware and hardware-related installer problems most of the time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.